What are the main sources of water for utilities? Have you ever wondered where the water that flows from your tap actually comes from? It's a question that many people don't think about, but understanding the main sources of water for utilities can help us appreciate this vital resource. Utilities primarily obtain their water from three main sources: surface water, groundwater, and increasingly, desalinated water. Let's start with surface water. This includes rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and streams. Surface water is often the most visible and commonly used source for public water systems, especially in urban areas. Utilities draw water from these bodies and treat it to meet safety and quality standards before it reaches your home. However, surface water can be affected by seasonal changes, pollution, and competing demands from agriculture and industry. Next, we have groundwater. This water comes from aquifers, which are underground layers of water-bearing rock or sediment. Utilities access groundwater through wells. Groundwater is generally more protected from surface contamination, providing a more consistent supply. However, it may require treatment for minerals or contaminants. It's important to note that overextraction of groundwater can lead to depletion or land subsidence, so sustainable management is essential. Now, let's talk about desalinated water. This source is derived from the process of removing salt and other impurities from seawater or brackish water. While desalination is less common, it is gaining importance in coastal or arid regions where freshwater is scarce. Desalination plants requiring significant energy and infrastructure investments, but they can provide a reliable supply independent of rainfall. Utilities face the challenge of managing these sources effectively. They must balance availability, cost, treatment requirements, and regulatory compliance. To deliver water safely and reliably, utilities operate extensive infrastructure, including treatment plants, pumping stations, storage tanks, and distribution networks. They also need to consider long-term sustainability, system maintenance, and the impacts of climate variability on water availability. In summary, utilities primarily relying on surface water and groundwater as their main sources, with desalination playing a growing role where necessary. Efficient management of these sources ensures that communities receive safe drinking water consistently. Understanding where our water comes from can help us appreciate its importance and the efforts made to keep it clean and accessible.